Yeah, it's a bit of one to swallow there. I thought we did enough today to warrant the victory. Just threw the ball away a little bit too easy at the end there. Gave them possessions when they're behind and chasing a game, and we give them possessions. Probably not the smartest move.
You think, what were you proud of today, for guys?
Well, I'm proud of the fact that it's our fifth game and we turn up and we met them with some physicality. You know, we went in after them at our tackles. We carried the ball well. We're still learning to carry the ball 15 style. We're still a little bit too high, looking for a little offload. That probably comes from a lot of sevens experience, but we're getting there. But they certainly don't shy away from the physicality of the game, so proud of that.
I mean, not to harp on that loss, but I think the reality is, it was 3 minutes of solid defence that Force had 26 phases or something before the penalty was actually given. What does that say, I guess, about the resolve of the team, especially in defence?
No, it's great. It would have been good for us to have the 26 phases down the other end and ask them to make that many tackles instead of kicking the ball away. But at the same time, that's great resolve. And we're always going to give away a couple of penalties in 26 phases. It's hard to defend 26 phases with a side coming at you the whole time. But it was great resolve to make the tackles, and yes, it was a penalty, and yes, they kicked the goal, but they didn't cross the line. So, you know, it was great resolve.